5 non-negotiable sa resort bedroom design. First, entry flow. Maganda kapag ang bathroom ay malapit sa entrance para kapag pumasok ang guest, hindi niya na kailangan dumaan sa sleeping area. Mas logical ang sequence ng room. Entry, storage, bed, window view. Second, bed placement. Ang bed dapat nasa longest wall or near the window. Ito ang nagpapalaki ng pakiramdam ng space at mas na maximize ang natural light and view. Mag-leave ng around 750 to 900 mm clearance sa gilid ng bed para comfortable ang movement ng guests at mas efficient ang housekeeping. Third, functional zoning. Kahit compact ang room, pwede mo rin siyang hatiin into zones. May sleeping area, small work desk near the window, vertical storage at pwede ring may slim lounge bench. Kapag malinaw ang zoning, mas organized at mas comfortable gamitin ang space. Fourth, circulation space. Sa foot ng bed, mag-leave ng around 1,000 to 1,200 mm clearance para may enough space for luggage at smooth movement sa loob ng room. And fifth, resort adaptation. Since tropical resort ito, important ang cross-breeze ventilation. Maganda kung may operable windows, opposite the doors at may balcony access near the bed area para mas presko at mas relaxing ang experience ng guests. Ang magandang resort bedroom layout hindi lang tungkol sa aesthetics. It's about comfort, flow, and perceived value or perceived space. Kapag mas comfortable ang guests, mas mataas ang chance ng better reviews at more bookings.